all the students, dignitaries and guests gathered here. With great joy and immense pleasure, we, on the behalf of Vedic High-Tech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College, feel privileged to extend a happy welcome to all present here for the inauguration of IETE Student Forum.
It is our culture to remember the Almighty before everything we do. I request everyone to rise for the prayer.
Let us hope that the brightness of education overcomes the darkness of all negativity in our lives. Now, I request all the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp.
With today's program. Now, I would like to welcome our Dean, SOEC Professor Dr. V.R. Ravi Sir of EC Department to deliver the welcome address.
A pleasant afternoon to everyone on this August presence of inaugural function of IET Student Forum organized by Department of ECE Vedic High-Tech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College. I deem it a pride and privilege to welcome our Honorable Principal Professor Dr. E. Kamalanaban Sir, who has been a source of driving and motivation at all times, and under his impeccable guidance and directions, we are proud to organize this inaugural function of IET Student Forum. We welcome you, sir. I am honored and privileged to welcome the chief guest, Dr. N. Venkateshwaran, Chairman, IET Chennai Center, our well-wisher, who has given his kind consent to grace this inaugural function. Heartily welcome you, sir. I am glad to welcome our respected deans, associate deans, deputy deans, and also dynamic HODs, delegate faculty members. Heartily welcome. I take this opportunity to welcome the enthusiastic student members of IET Student Forum and student coordinators. We welcome one and all. I would like to say a few words about IET Student Forum. The Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, IETE, founded in 1953, is one of the leading professional society in India. The IETE is committed to the advancement of science and technology in the field of electronics, communication, computer science, information technology and other related fields. The main objectives of ISF, IETE Student Forum, ISF, improving the standard of engineering education, counseling the students in emerging new opportunities, encouraging and motivating the outside classroom activities, workshops, projects and seminars, increasing the student base and corporate membership of IETU. The main activities of this ISF are to plan, organize technical programs, special lectures, workshops, seminar, symposia, project exhibition for the benefit of students, to provide a common platform for students to exchange of ideas in technical topics of interest, example, curriculum, employment, higher education opportunities, emerging trends, etc. To facilitate technical visits, project works, employment, contact with the industries and other academic institutions. Encourage team spirit and self-reliance among staff student members. ISFs should be catalyst for the overall growth in technical and professional skills in young students. The benefits of ISF are priority for publishing students' paper in Journal of Education. You can also subscribe for other publications such as IET Journal of Research and IET Technical Review. ISF students are welcome to attend IET technical programs in India at reduced registration fee. ISF member will be issued with the identity card. Once again, I heartily welcome one and all to this inaugural function. Have a wonderful time in acquiring good information from our honorable principal and eminent chief guest. In addition, I wish all the IETE student members will gain various employability skills from various upcoming events organized by IETE Student Forum. I will conclude my welcome address with the following VTHD quote. Learn employability skills on our campus and achieve your dream jobs in top MNCs with a high salary package. We assure that VTHD will provide all required platforms. This IETE Student Forum is one such a platform. Have a nice day. Thank you for
addressing the gathering. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now we have a person who has consumed himself to change this. Our Honorable Principal, Dr. E. Kamlanathan sir, to felicitate our guest, Professor Dr. N. Venkateshwaran sir, Chairman IET Chennai Center. Principal Dr. E. Kamlanathan sir, to give the special address.
Chief guest, Dr. N. Venkateshwaran, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SSN College of Engineering, and also Chairman of IET Chennai Center, and our beloved Dean Academics, Professor Dr. V.R. Ravi, and our Head of the Department, Dr. Duraichi, and our Deputy Dean, Dr. Gayatri, faculty members, and the coordinators of this IETE inaugural function which is happening today, and my dear most students, very good afternoon. My hearty welcome to the guest today who is here out of his busy schedule. Even I don't want to take mic today, that's what I told in the morning to the Dean Academics as well. But anyway, just I want to share a few words. Really great today that you are inaugurating this IETE chapter, and our Dean Academics was saying about the fruitful discussions and the outcomes of this IETE, and the students who can share their thoughts, and even people who can come from this IETE to our institute, where which a kind of learning platform, So even we are empowering a lot of activities for the students. I think you would have seen in the timetable what is being incorporated for this semester, right? Given semester. What is the change? Can you tell me? What's going on with your timetable for this? You are fourth semester or sixth semester? Yeah, sixth semester. Tell me what is it? Something new? Yeah, integrated learning then. Again with self-learning then. Mini project then. Mentoring then. Training placement, okay then. Then communication skill development slot then. Sports. Sorry. So I think out of 42 hours there may be something 15 to 16 hours which is being given for. We have a concept here sir, in the institute. The concept called ABC. The concept called the ABC. What is ABC? Are you aware of this ABC? No. Have you not seen the boards which is displayed in front of my office? What is ABC? Activities beyond classroom, something like that. Say, what is the ABC? Activities beyond classroom. It is shortly, we are saying it as ABC. Like how the pre-KG, LKG, they learn these letters, ABC, right, alphabets. Something like that is of use for students, ABC, activities beyond classroom. Activities beyond classroom. So something, semester to semester we are empowering, the students, something, learning. You require some good learning in terms of skills, I don't want even with this, what to say, the trend of going for the old traditional way of, going for a timetable where 8 hours engaging in the classroom, all theory hours. So I am totally dead against with the concept of giving 8 hours theory hours in the classroom. Okay. So therefore, year on year, semester to semester, we are going for some changes, so that where we can give some good skills for the students, out of which the one of the skill where the Deputy Dr. N. Gayatri is concentrating on professional society activities, where in which you can also get a lot of information, you can acquire a lot of knowledge from this professional society activities. We have got about 15 or 20 society activities in the institute. So, skill is important today. What you learn, the theory, is something which may not help you when you go for placements. Possible options, wherein which that you can learn these 4 years, out of your, what to say, that this BTech program. So semester to semester. Now you see almost 40% of your learning that goes to skill-based area. Students should come to know what is happening in the campus, how we are empowering the students, what kind of learning. It is not only from our side, from your side. If you travel along with us, what we do here in the campus, then definitely we can join hands together. so that you can also feel that something really, some good learning is happening in the campus. Some good learning is happening in the campus, so that you will also feel happy. And we also feel happy doubly that students are taking it. That students are taking it. So that is what we wanted in the campus. That is what we wanted in the campus. As autonomous, what to do for the students actually? Earlier we were affiliated to Anna University, but having become autonomous, the concept of autonomous, what is it? Something, you should have some freedom in framing the syllabus, in coming out such activities. What I am saying now to you as the so-called concept ABC, activities beyond classroom, activities inside the classroom which is very limited. The scope is very limited. The scope is very limited. You will also feel that something boring. So now the last semester, sir, for the information to the chief guest, at the last semester, 4 months, I think from last August to this December, where in which our second years and third years have done the mini projects, which is in count, which is nearing to 370 plus mini projects. Hands up to students, really. Hands up to students. 370 plus projects have been carried out in the campus within the duration of 4 months. That is the potential of the students. That is the potential. You see that the talent which the students has, which are all hidden. If I don't initiate, if I don't take something not to do, to come out with such skills, definitely you will also keep quiet. You will also keep quiet by not doing anything. So we started with some, that aim, and definitely this second years, third years, how to do something for the odd semester, so that we planned well, and our deans, dean academics and school deans, and the various levels, deans and associate deans, a lot of, manpower, tracking the mechanism of implementing these mini projects. Just like that saying mini projects you do, definitely you will not do. Even when the faculty they come to you and they stand, you do a mini project, even by forming 370 batches, So for which we have trained our own faculty members. How to carry out, how to take these mini projects to the students. When you say that you come with a mini project title, I will guide you what they will come with the title and what you will guide, definitely not. But faculty members have to have some knowledge on projects. So therefore 1 month of training has been given to the faculty members to go and see and have a search with the Google engine and to come out with a lot of ideas and with a lot of titles, even that may be of existing or which may be of a new or whatever it may be, doesn't matter, even which is existing also. But my students want to get some idea of even what is available, what the so-called the project is, what the structure is, what are the modules which is being involved in the project, stages. Like when you take up as SDLC, software development life cycle, what is that the people study software engineering, right? Where you go for requirements gathering, starting phase. And you will come up with like that, design and something like implementation, coding, something. So where you will end up with a project, right? So with the different phases, So therefore, as an engineering student, definitely, what is the project? What is a project? Which is a big or small or whatever it may be? What is the flow? What is the structure? What is the data flow, hierarchy? Interfaces. So many things which are involved in a project actually. So without knowing that, when you go for a final year of doing project, definitely mostly 50% doesn't know of doing a project, but they will submit the project in the final year. In the final year of not knowing anything about the project, they come up with a project, go to the center and do something and get a project from centers and submit as you want to satisfy the needs of the degree, the final year project. So therefore, how will you see the skills with the students? That's a great question mark. How will you see the skill with the student? How will you evaluate the skill with the student? What is the demand for the student in the market? For such a student. So therefore, we are evolving slowly now. We are transforming. The student community now, even with the faculty level. What can be done? What can be done when a student want to get a good placement in the company? When a student want to get a good placement in the company, the only thing is industry readiness. The so-called concept is industry readiness. The so-called concept is industry readiness. Without which, whatever I do here, definitely you cannot get in. You may get in. That may be of the company where you may not like, the package or what is it where you want to get in. Definitely not. That will not match. So what is now the status of our highest package? And now we want to reach to 20 lakhs package. We want to reach to 20 lakhs package. Maybe there are colleges really doing well and going for even 20 more packages. No. But now, as of now, we are with the 10 lakhs package. We want to see that 10 to 20 the gap. No. With now what is the skill that we are now grilling here? Grilling the skills. What is called grilling the skills. So when you have skills with you, definitely there is no limit. Definitely there is no limit. There is you need not think that how I can get into Flipkart or how I can get into Amazon or how I can get into Google. There is nothing like that. When you are able to compete, when you have very good strong skills, when you meet the demand of the industry, you can fly anywhere. So only thinking is that here is to give good skills for the student. So for which we are working on various avenues, various levels, verticals. So therefore, I think that gives you, lot of information, lot of knowledge, wherein which you can, fly. So therefore, my dear students, try to use this ABC concept in the campus. Try to use this ABC concept, activities beyond the classroom. My focus is only beyond the classroom, what we do here in the campus. I am not concentrating on the classroom. So what my teacher is coming with the syllabus, the topic that he is teaching 45 minutes or 50 minutes, I am not worried for that. We are more worried, or I am more worried on how my ABC works in the campus. Therefore my students get very good skills so that they can get into good industries with the packages more than 10 lakhs. That is what the goal or dream of the administrator. All companies like HCL, TCS, CTS, Wipro, all, Accenture, all these are all now it has come like anything, normal. No. For us, it is now normal as a Well-Tech group. I think in the university, even they have gone for a little bit higher packages. But now we want to jump. We want to have something to say with the higher level packages, with the higher level companies. So definitely it is possible. But what is being offered here, or what are the initiatives that we are taking here? If you adopt, if you involve in that, if you dedicate yourself, definitely it is possible. There is no doubt in that. We are closely monitoring these activities. We are closely monitoring. Even now, before coming here, I was in computer science laboratory. Where integrated learning. One of my professors is taking the mobile Android development. Actually, there were about 60 students with LCD. He was explaining something. They are working with some simple programs. Actually, I was there and I was giving lecture for 10 minutes for those students. 30 years. So we are watching, we are observing, and everywhere, all these self-learning, all these mini projects, and what is called integrated learning and value-added courses. So many things which are happening in the campus, everyday life. But definitely, if you make use of this platform, the so-called learning. We cannot be like just like that coming in and going out. That will not give you anything. If you count it as, as I come here, what is my learning? What is my learning? If you have such an assessment with you, that all the time, when you see that when you integrate your skills, or when you see the day by day, the incremental progress, the knowledge that you accumulate, that makes matter. That makes a matter. So therefore, we want to help you. We don't come here to see just like that, signing and go to home back. Not like that. I want to see every day some change with faculty members, with students in the campus. So therefore, this IETE, as a chairman, the guest of the day today, has come here. Definitely, sir will come a lot of inputs. So how you are going to make use of this IETE platform, and even you can submit some articles, your ideas, your concepts, something, when you come up with that, even when you submit for your IAC, Institute Innovation Cell, where the segment is working for innovation and ideas. Anybody submitted here any of the idea with Smart India Hackathon in this particular group? I think 23rd we are going to have internal Smart India Hackathon, SIH 2022. SIH 2022. You are all third years. You did not apply, you did not register for that. SIH 2020? No, nobody. Anybody? Yes, sir. Who said yes? Why are you thinking like that? Is it anything that I ask some questions or you are going to blink anything like that? You say yes, yes sir, I registered. There were about some 40 batches in the campus who have registered for SIH 2020. SIH not 2020, 2022. So we are going to have some prototype models and other, I think the juries may go. When it comes with rounds of their visits, which we finalize the ideas, that is going to be submitted for SIH 2022, which is called for all over the nation. Okay. So therefore, involve yourself, do something which is useful, and even IEEE e-Morgan, which is available e-books, which is of 1 lakh plus books in the library. You go and use IEEE online e-books, IEEE subscription, ASP, I think all society periodical package, ASPP, all society periodical package, which has got lot of IEEE proceedings and journals, IEEE proceedings and journals that directly helps you in doing your mini projects, and even for some concepts where you want to come up with the SIH, Smart India Hackathon. So therefore, as a student, you need to see that how to make yourself, how to groom yourself. Technically, how sound you are. If you say that I graduated, I am an engineer. What engineer? Without having skill, you tell me that today lakhs and lakhs of graduates doesn't have a job. Unemployment. That is what today we are saying. Today we are saying that many in terms of lakhs are unemployed. Why? Many colleges are not imparting technical knowledge. What I am saying today, the APC, the concept. If such things are happening in the campus, definitely students can learn something. If I go with the old traditional way of learning with the 8 hours timetable, all theory classes in the classroom, like with the 3 decades before, what was happening in the classroom, the same thing today, even if you do, definitely nothing will come for you. Today the government of India, even in the primary and secondary level schools, there is a concept called tinkering labs. Where to come up with some practical knowledge. So practice is important for the student. You have to involve, you have to do something practically. The difference between our Indian education system and foreign education system is the only thing is that those they do only with the practicals. Why people are flying to the other countries, you tell me that. You tell me that. Everything which happens with only practicals when you go for abroad system, that is a pattern of learning. That is the pattern of learning. Whereas the Indian culture, we read theory, we mark. It's a mark-based culture. What is the mark you are scoring? So that when you get into IIT, when you get into NEET or something like medical colleges or renowned engineering colleges. But what renowned engineering colleges does, right? Wherever you go, you should have some practical knowledge. You should have some practical knowledge. That is where industries are focusing. That is where industry requires people, knowledge-based people. What is called the knowledge-based people. So with your theory, if you go 9.0 CGPA, sir, I have 9.0. When you go to the interview panel, so I am very good, what to say that academically good, having 90%, 9.0 CGPA, and not having practicals. When you ask some questions in the technological area, but you are not going to answer for those, then what he says? Hey Baba, you keep with your 9.0 with you. You keep with your 9.0 with you safely. I don't want. I want 6.0. I want the 6.0 average. But who can meet the requirement? Where he has got very good skill. Where he has got a very good skill, excelling something. He comes with a lot of ideas. It does. Even today, there are students with a lot of ideas. They do wonderful in laboratories. They come up with a lot of many projects, lot of ideas. But their mind works in that level. But some they work with theory and they earn more, score more marks. But there are students who work with more on practicals, but they don't score much marks. But where the knowledge is more. But even whether the idea or anything, actually definitely you will get it. But industry also requires such people. Doesn't matter, don't bother your ideas. You come, I am giving job for you. He says what to do. But anyway, our aim is that it is not that. It's what to say that carrying careers and having practical things. No, it is not like that. But as an all-rounder, you have to come up with your own skills. So everybody requires. You need to show your uniqueness. Each X, Y, Z has to have some uniqueness. It is what my style, it is what my policy, my quality, my nature of working this, my nature of doing this. Is it right? If you don't have that, if you are very general of doing everybody what they are doing, if you are also doing the same, no use. It is no use. But what's your demand? What's your knowledge? What's your skill? That's matter. I don't want to take much time. Already time is getting, I think 3. Is it now? Anyway, so I want to give space for the guest also. You also want to leave early. Okay. Therefore, with this, I say to you that you please get now what to say that the guest what he is going to share and make use of this platform. And whatever that you do with the forms of the ABC, take it fully. Anything, at any time you can approach me. I am here to help you. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Beautiful words. Now comes the time to acknowledge the talent of programming students, and let's begin with the IET membership certificate distribution. I would like to welcome the dignitaries in the dais to give away the certificates.
It's immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. N. Venkateswaran Sir, Chairman, IET Chennai Center, and he is currently working as a professor in EC Department at SSN College of Engineering. Sir has obtained his PhD from Anna University, Chennai for the thesis in the area of compression. Has more than 23 years of experience in teaching, research, and 8 years of industry experience. He is the author of many research articles and 2 book chapters in Springer in national and international journals and conferences. He is also actively involved in the professional societies, the IEEE SPS and the IET India. Sir has organized and conducted 4 FDP programs and 1 national conference. He is serving as a member of various international technical committees and review panels. Sir has graduated 5 PhD students who are now at leadership positions in academia, and he is currently supervising 4 PhD scholars. Also, as a principal investigator, Sir is currently involved in ISRO SAC project and completed 3 other projects funded by SSN institutions. Now, I request our chief guest to address the gathering.
So now we have with us young and dynamic institution into the greater institution. It's like, positive efforts and the kind of transforms that is like not okay. So interact the this this is what is very economy is today I see it's doing what we have digital economic life to creation any there are scholarships very, but the quality of those I think part of all planets Indian so it's what we communicate that's about for all this that's this you are all brought up very next project. What's very make it very 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 back yeah part of only what is that that is I can clear that what is the can you add why I'm sure the spirit is there are we had say say and so that you can actually So I like will be able to come here and also participate in the college life. So, with a few I just have the IET family, IET and online beyond and
One of the